Good day to my prospective employer. My name is Helen Antarina, 41 years old, married, one daughter, 20 years old. My height is 1.5 centimeter. My kilogram is 50. I am high school graduate. I am ex-abroad in Hong Kong. My duties are taking care of elderly and pets like cat. My duties are cleaning all around the house, washing the car, cooking basic Chinese food, and ironing the clothes, washing the clothes. And I also sometimes I take care of baby, of her grandmother, and also my previous here in the Philippines. My employer are I almost 18 years served in the Philippines as a domestic helper. My duties are taking care of elderly, especially newborn. I care a newborn baby here in the Philippines, and now she is already 18 years old. I almost 18 years old to serve her family. I serve as my own family. That's why uh, I love their family as my own. So to my prospective employer, please choose me as your helper. I'll do my best to do my duties, and I'll take care of your family. Thank you and God bless.